Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I hope you all are sleeping. Sorry for disturbing. Sorry for disturbing. Right? If you are little sleepy, also wash your face and come and sit. If you are little sleepy, also wash your face and come and sit. I know very well. I know very well. Right? This is your sleeping time. But the people who are preparing for GATE exam, no sleeping, nothing. If you are preparing to GATE examination, no sleeping, nothing. Good to go. Can we start? Can we start? Shakir, call everyone. Hi, Johan. Hi. Hi, Vineet. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Start. Right. So let me start now. I'm starting. Let me start now. Just give 1 minute. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much, game. Thank you so much for cooperating every time, right? In every class, this game or aim will come. Thank you so much for encouraging. I'm really happy to see you. I really appreciate your cooperation. Thank you so much. Right? He is my student from long time. 5 years onwards. Wherever I go, game or aim will come. Thank you so much. Hats up. I am really blessed to have student like this. I'm really blessed to have student like this. Thank you, game or aim. Thank you. Right. Now write down now. C programming. Now write down now C programming. Yeah, I done. C programming. Right? So in the C programming, right? See this one. C programming syllabus I am writing. C programming syllabus I am writing. C programming syllabus I am writing. The first topic which I am going to discuss is scope of a variable. If you are lucky in GATE examination, from C programming, 5 programs will come. Every program, maybe some 1 mark, maybe some 2 mark. If you are lucky, 10 marks will come. If you are unlucky, 5 marks will come. I am writing here. You may get approximately 5 to 10 marks. Minimum 5, maximum 10. Minimum 5. Sometimes this itself will give 10 marks. In some examination I seen, right, there are 5 questions or 6 questions, approximately 10 marks. And one more good news I want to say to you. Just read only my notes. Plus some PYQs you can practice. Just read only my notes. I may going to say approximately I may going to say approximately 200 programs. Approximately I may going to say 200 program. I think you can practice the PYQs also. That weekend test also you can write. Weekend test you write. Weekend tests you write. Right? And one more thing is PYQs. Right? Weekend test and PYQs. I think it's more than enough. Class notes. One more thing is class notes. First class notes. First to try class notes followed by, right, weekend tests also, right, PYQs also do. Right? So 5 to 10 marks. Minimum 5, maximum 10 marks will come. See the syllabus. Scope of a variable. One is static scoping. One is static scoping. Another one is a dynamic scoping. That is the first topic. Second topic is going to be static variable. Static variable. Remember, it is a static scoping. It is a static scoping, but it is a static variable. That is the second one. Third one, pointers. Major story, this only, pointers. This is the major one. This is the major one. Pointers is the major one. In one of the examination I seen, 5 questions came. Every one is 2 mark. 5 questions came, every one is 2 mark. Totally 10 marks came. Directly copy from my notes. Students asked me, Reddy sir, you given question paper. That year I am so lucky. There are 5 questions came, every one is of 2 marks. From the pointer, 5 to 10 marks came directly from notes. I still remember one person said, Reddy sir, you given question paper. I don't know what should I do at the time. So I am really saying to you, I am going to cover approximately 200 to 300 problems I am going to cover. Approximately 200 to 300. They are more than enough. Just read only notes. Plus weekend tests you write and PYQs also you write. It is more than enough. Don't do any extra work. This one plus wherever you find out the problem, you can solve it. This is the very important one. Pointers is the very important one. And one more, static variable also very important one. These two mixing will come. In a program, one pointer there, one static variable there. Next one, fourth one, arrays. But arrays and pointer, and again linking is there. Arrays and pointers linking is there. Only arrays they can give or pointers they can give. They will give mixing also. Right? And one more thing, they will add the static variable also. This combination is the famous combination. It is a famous combination. Right? Only array or only pointer or only static variable or pointer and static variable or array and pointer or combination. It is a famous combination. I don't know why they will like. I don't know why they like that much. This is the famous combination. Mostly this combination will come in the exam. Arrays, pointer, static variable. This is the famous combination. Right? Maybe they will give static variable only. Maybe they will give pointer only. Maybe they will give array only. But mixing they may use. Right? Next one, fifth one. Right? Fifth one is structures. Union. Structures and union. Yeah, some more things maybe I will cover. I may cover some more things. As of now, this is more than enough. And when classes are keep on going, some more things also I will add. Right? C programming, 5 to 10 marks will come. Minimum 5, maximum 10. So I will cover similarly. Right? Minimum 200 problems. Maximum 300 problems. Right? Next, I think everything I written, static variable, pointer variable, and one more combination. See this one, arrays, pointer, static variable, and one more recursion. These four combination is too much combination. Recursion, arrays, pointer, static variable. These four combinedly may come. Maybe two people combination will come, or three people combination will come, or four people combination will come. If four people combination, you will dance in the air. Suppose four people combination, fourth point, four people combination will come. You will dance in the air. Trust me. It is going to be very exciting problem. They may give individual, they may give two combine, they may give four combine. Four combine means you will dance like anything. Okay, fine. I think these are the topic. Major topic this only. I may cover 50 to 100 problems on this. On pointers, I may cover 50 to 100 problems. So concentrate, only notes enough. I'm again and again I'm saying to you, only class notes enough. Only class notes enough. Plus followed by this. Okay, let's move to next. Write down now. Statics, right? Scope of a variable. It's the first topic. Scope of a variable. This is the first topic. Scope of a variable. Scope of a variable is the first topic. Someone is saying, does it cover data structures also? Someone is saying like this. No, I think only C programming. After C programming, we may see data structure, we may see algorithm also. Right? As of now, only C programming. Yeah, some people are asking C programming full or C programming only half. Some people are asking. It depending upon your cooperation. If more people demand, I may continue here. If less people, I may teach I may teach the EPT platform. I'm repeating once again. More people demand, I will continue here. If less people, I will go to inside EPT. So you please people, right? You decide yourself. If you really want, attend every day. I will see in the next class. Depending upon your cooperation, I may stop at anywhere. If you don't cooperate, I may stop. If you cooperate, I may continue here. Right? Fine. Yeah, someone is saying, Mehmet Kaif is saying that it doesn't cover data structures also. As of now, only C programming. Yeah, go ahead now. So let's start. Yeah, please can everyone type? Go ahead. Type everyone, go ahead. Yeah, first topic is scope of a variable. Everyone type, go ahead. Everyone type, go ahead. Everyone, whoever there, please type. We will complete scope of a variable. Everyone complete. Just type, go ahead. Everyone type, just go ahead, type. Yeah, fine, perfect. Sir, we will complete. Yeah, I think most probably we will complete today scope of a variable. Yeah, fine. I think everyone is fine. Now start now. Scope of a variable. I am trying. Right? So please concentrate, everyone. Please concentrate, everyone. Scope of a variable. Please concentrate. As I mentioned to you, scope of a variable is two types. Scope of a variable is two types. As I mentioned to you, scope of a variable two types. One is static scoping. One is static scoping. Another one is a dynamic scoping. One is static scoping. Another one is a dynamic scoping. Right? So first one, see the first one, scope of a variable, static scoping, dynamic scoping. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. To this topic, first problem. Be comfortable, everyone. To this problem, to this to this topic, first problem I am giving. First C programming I am writing. First C programming I am writing. Everyone be comfortable. First C programming I am writing. First one, main. Be careful, everyone. Main. Int a is equal to 5. B function called. Go to the B function. Go to the function. Int a is equal to 10. C function call. Go to the C function. Go to the C function. Into a is equal to 15. D function called. Go to the D function. Careful this problem. Int a is equal to 20. Printf. Int a is equal to 20. Printf. Percentage D and a. Next one. So upper of this program, upper of this particular topic, like this. See this one here. Int a is equal to 3. Yeah, take this problem. It is the first problem. Everyone will get. It is the first problem. Everyone will get. Scope of a variable, static scoping, dynamic scoping. It is the first topic. If anyone came now only, if you came now only, don't think that you missed out something. If you came now only, just this is the first problem I written. Scope of a variable, static scoping, dynamic scoping. In the programming, it is the first part. You may not find out this one in any book also. Most probably you may not find out in any book also. Right? So please careful. Everyone please careful. So I'm writing the first one. See everyone? I'm writing the first one. See everyone now? What is this program output? Before going to start, I want to ask you, as a computer science person, please let me know what is the output of this program. As a computer science person, please let me know what is the output of this program. Check properly. As a computer science student, please let me know what is the output of this program. Everyone. Just guess what is the answer. I will give the answer. First you try your opinion. As a computer science student, please let me know what is the output of this program. Everyone. What is the output? Arey, say yaar. Arey, Atul, where are you? Man? Yeah, so Akshat is saying that A is local to D, therefore 20. Someone is saying like that. So I will give the answer. Everyone observe. Everyone saying answer is 20. Now, listen, I'm going to give the answer. Everyone can observe. Can you observe now? In this program, how many declarations? Please give answer. In this program, how many declarations? I want answer. I'm going to give answer, that's fine. But before going, please let me know, in this program, how many declarations are there? This program contains how many declarations? This program contains how many declarations? How many? I think so. Remember, it is a declaration. Remember, declaration contain data type. See, data type followed by variable. That is called declaration. Data type followed by variable. That is called declaration. Data type followed by variable. That is called declaration. Everyone remember. So it is also a declaration. Data type followed by variable. 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 Remember, this program contains 5 declarations. This program contains 5 declarations. Can anyone help you know? Out of those 5 declarations, how many declarations belongs to global? You are saying 5 declarations. I am very happy. But out of those 5 declarations, how many declarations belongs to local? How many declarations belongs to global? You are saying 5 declarations. I am very happy. But how many local declarations? How many global declarations? Yeah, so please let me know. Local declarations how many? Global declarations how many? What is the answer? Global declaration is 1. Local declaration are 4. Please careful. Local declarations are 4. Global declaration is 1. Remember everyone? Remember everyone? Everyone remember? Everyone remember? See this one. Everyone remember. This is the memory. This is the memory. Careful. This is the memory. This memory will be divided into 3 parts. This memory will be divided into 3 parts. So one part is carefully observe. One part is everyone observe, static portion. This memory, right? Memory will be divided into 3 parts. 3 parts. Static part this is. One is going to be heap area. One is going to be stack area. Yeah, if you want, you can write here stack area. This is a heap area. Memory will be divided into 3 parts: stack area, heap area, static area. Stack area, heap area, static area. Remember everyone, right? So main memory will contain 3 parts: stack area, heap area, static area. Remember everyone. Remember everyone. Everyone remember. Everyone remember. So stack area, heap area, static area. Right? This is the way how the memory will be there. This is the way how memory will be there. Remember everyone. Global variable. See, is a global declaration. It is a global declaration. Remember, declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Right? To this variable a memory will be created. Right? Static area. Declaration purpose is creating memory. For global variable, memory will be allocated in the static area. For a global variable, memory will be allocated in the static area. Remember. And one more. Local variable memory will be allocated in the stack area. Local variable memory will be allocated in the stack area. Local variable memory will be allocated in the stack area. Remember. Right? So again I'm asking you, purpose of declaration, creating memory. Purpose of declaration, creating memory. Some people are asking, sir, creating memory means how many bytes, sir? That is the reason data type required. Int means 2 bytes. Int means 2 bytes. Purpose of declaration is creating memory. Then some people immediately question is going to be, how many bytes, sir? Integer means 2 bytes. Character means 1 byte. Float is 4 bytes. Let me write here. Char 1 byte. Float 4 bytes. Into 2 bytes. Suppose in examination they said something. Whatever they will say, take. In examination, whatever they will say, take. Suppose if they didn't say anything, you take this only. In examination, if they say character is 10 bytes, take. Float is 40 bytes, take. Integer is 10 bytes, take. Whatever they say, you take. If they don't say, take whatever I said. If they don't say, take whatever I said. Local variable memory will be created in the stack area. Global variable memory will be allocated in the static area. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Now, can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? Everyone, can anyone guess? Careful, careful. Everyone guess. Everyone guess. How many bytes of memory allocated? Can everyone guess? How many bytes of memory allocated? How many bytes of memory allocated? Declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. How many bytes of memory allocated? Declaration purpose is creating memory. Then how many bytes of memory allocated? Because of 5 declaration, 5 to 10 bytes of memory. So out of those 10 bytes, how many bytes in the static area? How many bytes in the stack area? Out of those 10 bytes, how many bytes in the static area? How many bytes in the stack area? How many bytes in the static area? How many bytes in the stack area? Can you help me? Totally 10 bytes. I will agree. I'm agreeing whatever you are saying. But how many in the stack area? How much in the static area? Static area 2 bytes. Static area 2 bytes. Stack area 8 bytes. 4 2 8. 4 2 8. Right? Static area 2 bytes. Stack area 8 bytes. Try to get everything. Try to get everything. Day to day, it will become so easy. Day to day, it will become so easy. Now, today only little bit difficult because of the starting class. Today only little bit difficult. Further, it will become so easy. Further, it will become so easy. Yeah, fine. Yeah, those people who are watching, live, those people who are watching live, okay, you are I am teaching, you are watching, everything fine. But who will like the channel? Yeah, who will like the channel? You don't like, then who will like? Yeah, are like, man, like, yeah, are like the channel? Who will like? Yeah, don't you think it is your responsibility? Don't you think it is your responsibility? Are coming, watching, going, coming, watching, going, coming and go, right? Coming and watching and going. Who will like? Who will like? Yeah. Are Vinny, are Vinny, do man. Are Vinny, do man, do yaar. I have liked every video. Good boy. Kev, very good boy. Thank you. Thank you, Kev. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now come here. Now come here. See, those people who didn't like, those people who didn't like, okay, you didn't like. Then who will like? Your papa will like. Your mama will like. Or my papa will like. Or my mama will like. Who will like? Who will like, yeah? Your papa or my papa, your mama, my mama. Who will like, man? Are Shakir, like, yeah. Are these people not liking at all. Hi, sir, I am your student of batch 2020-22. Did masters from IIT, now senior data scientist at Bangalore. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, creative fellow. Thank you so much. These kind of messages are every day motivating me to teach. These kind of messages are every day motivating me. Right? Every day, these are the things. At least I will get few. Thank you so much, creative fellow. Why don't you keep the nice name? You are creative fellow. Keep the name as creative dog. Keep the name as creative dog or creative buffalo. Keep the name as creative buffalo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Bhaiya, thank you so much. Keep the name as creative buffalo. Fellow you written, right? Just write BU also. BU also write. Creative buffalo. Just write that BU also. Creative buffalo. Just do that. Just do that, you will get the nice quality. I got educated from you in 2014. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much, Balwan. Thank you. It was nice to see you. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. I got educated from you in 2014. Bintu, Bintu, Bintu. When I seen Balwant, I didn't get it. Oh, you are Bintu. Thank you, Bintu. Thank you, Bintu. Total, my life is visible here. Total, my life is visible here. Thank you so much. Thanks, every one of you. Thanks, every one of you. Thank you, Bintu. Bintu, thank you. I still remember you. Bintu, I still remember you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Bintu. Yeah, let's move to the topic. Let's move to the topic. Can you come here? Can you come here now? Let's move to the topic. Right. Let's move to the topic. So there are three portions: heap area, stack area, right? Static area, global variable memory in the static area, local variables in the stack area. Is there anyone who can help me? Is there anyone who can help me to whom memory will be allocated in the heap area? Sir, you give nickname. You give nickname. Maybe. Yeah, I given. Thank you, Priyoshi. Thank you so much. Can you help me now? Is there anyone who can help me to whom memory will be allocated in the heap area? To whom memory will be allocated in the heap area? Can anyone guess? Local variable memory in the stack area. Local variable memory in the stack area. I am okay. Global variable memory in the static area. That is also okay. For whom heap area? Yeah. Right? If you create a variable, right, using the malloc function. If you create a variable using a malloc function, memory will be allocated in the heap area. Suppose assume that I created one variable using allocate memory. Using malloc if you create. You will see further also. You will see in further classes. If you create any variable using malloc function, allocate memory dynamically, then memory will be allocated in the heap area. So now I am going to run the program. Let me run the program. Now I am going to run the program. Let me run the program. I am going to run the program. So let me run it. Everyone observe. I am going to run the program. Please see one time. Everyone see one time. Remember, if you don't say anything, integer 2 bytes, character 1 byte, float is 4 bytes. Remember, 4 declarations, 4 times memory, 5 declarations, 5 times memory. Purpose of declaration is creating memory. So 5 declarations, 5 times memory. 5 times memory, how much? It depending upon which data type. Integer 2 bytes, character 1 byte, float 4 bytes. Okay, now I am running the program. Now see, everyone observe. Yeah, malloc in C, right? So malloc, right? New in the C++ and Java also. Yeah, thank you, Balwan. Thank you. Now observe now. I am running the program. Everyone observe. Can you help me now? If you want to run this program, first I have to compile. Give answer. I want to run this program. First I have to compile or not? Yeah, calloc also, right? Malloc and calloc similar. Right? The only thing is calloc will clear the memory, right? Means by default 0 you will keep, malloc you don't keep. Anyhow, we will discuss afterwards. Priyoshi, we will discuss afterwards. Let's concentrate here. Can you help me? If you want to run the program, first you have to compile or not? Yes, compile. If you want to run the program, first compile. Can you help me? When you compile this program, everyone observe. If you want to run the program, first you have to compile. Everyone listen. When you want to run this program, first you have to compile. Remember everyone. Compilation time itself for a global variable memory will allocate because he is not part of anyone. is not part of anyone, compilation time itself, global variable memory will be allocated. Which place memory will be allocated? In the static area. This is the static area. Observe everyone, static area. Whenever you are compiling time itself, memory will be allocated in the static area. Compile time itself. Some people are asking, sir, how many bytes are? Integer A, 2 bytes of memory, 1000 onwards, 2 bytes. What the value inside is 3. Everyone remember, global variable memory will allocate in the static area. Memory will be allocated at a compile time itself. Compile time itself, memory will be allocated. Compile time itself, memory will be allocated. Because program running will start from main. Program running will start main. That is okay. But remember, global variable memory compile time, that is also in the static area. How many bytes? 2 bytes. How many bytes? 2 bytes. Okay, that's fine. So compilation is over. Everyone observe. Compilation is over, right? Compilation is over. This high level language program will be converted into low level. Purpose of compilation is converting from high level to low level. Purpose of compilation is converting program from high level to low level. Please, can anyone help me? Please, can anyone help me? This is the high level program. Can you say one program of low level? Yeah, Rupen, I know, right? We both met also, right? Rupen, we both met also, right? We both met, right? Are you Rupen? Are you Rupen? Hotstar. You got offer from Hotstar also. You got the offer from Hotstar also. Are you Rupen? Oh, I am his friend. Oh, Saurabh. Okay. Okay, Saurabh. Okay. Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Someone is saying that what defines compile time? What defines compile time? Yeah, let's see. Listen everyone now. If you want to run the program, first you have to compile. Compilation purpose is converting from high level to low level. Compilation means, right? Compilation, when purpose of compilation is converting from high level to low level. Some students are asking, what is the meaning of high level to low level, sir? Nothing. Listen, nothing. If you write the plus, A plus B, it is a high level. A plus B, it is a high level. Low level means add R1, R2. A plus B is a high level, add R1, R2 is a low level. So what I mean to say is, when you compile the program will be converted from high level to low level. So some people are asking, then why are you converted, sir? Why are you converted? Very simple. Very simple. So high level human being will understand. Low level processor will understand. This is processor language. This is processor language. It is a human language. It is a human language. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, creative. Thank you, creative. Thank you, creative. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you come here once again? Once again. Compile this program. Compile this program. When you compile this program will be converted into high level to low level. That's the one thing, okay. But remember, global variable memory will be allocated compile time itself in the static area. Okay. Okay. Remember two things. Compilation purpose, converting from high level to low level. For global variables, it will allocate memory also. For global variable, it will allocate memory also. Okay. Allocation is done. Global variable memory allocation is done. Okay. Fine. Now let me run the program. Can you help me now? Before running, after running. Right? Listen. I'm repeating once again. Before compiling, after compiling. What is the difference? Before compiling, after compiling, what is the difference? Sir, if you want to run the program, you have to compile. I'm okay. But what is the difference between before compilation, after compilation? Can anyone say what is the difference between before compilation, after compilation? What is the difference? Remember, before compilation also same program, after compilation also same program. But before compilation, user is understanding the program. After compilation, processor is understanding the program. Both are same, written in some language. Both are same, written in some language. Suppose before compilation, user understanding. After compilation, processor understanding. This is the only difference. Same code in another format. It is something like in the Google. In the Google, if you type PDF to doc conversion, PDF to doc conversion, PDF whatever having, doc also having same. But PDF will understand someone, doc will understand someone else. Whenever you convert from one format to another format, right? Before conversion, some people will understand. After conversion, some more people will understand. Right? In the similar way here also, before compilation means high level. High level is for human being. Low level means machine language. Like plus will be add, star will be mul, star will be mul, plus will be add, minus will be sub, divide will be div, something like that. Before conversion, user understanding. After conversion, right, processor is understanding. Now listen everyone, now compilation is over. For a global variable memory in the static area, everything is all right. Everything is all right. Now I am running the program. Program running will start from main. Everyone observe. Program will start from main. Now see this one. Main is running. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. We are very close to the actual story. It is the stack. Everyone observe. It is the stack. It is the stack. Everyone observe. Main is called. Remember. Function call is a push operation. Main call. Right? Function call is a push operation. Whenever main is called, means a push operation. Okay. Listen everyone now. Whenever main is called, push operations happen. Now observe properly. Whenever main is called, main will be pushed. Okay. Now see, inside main first statement, declaration, create memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. A value 5, address 2000. First statement is declaration, create memory. Second one, listen, second one, call the function. See, everyone remember, function call is a push operation. B called, so B also push. B called, B also push. Because of calling, you went another slot. Remember, every function having one slot. Right, fine. Now listen, every function call is a push operation. Every function call is a push operation. Can you see this one? Main is called main push. Now B is called B push. Main called main will push. B called B will push. Now listen everyone. One important question to everyone. So before compilation, no memory allocated. After compilation, memory allocated also, syntax check. Yeah, again, can you listen? Please, don't disturb me. Flow is going. Don't disturb me. Flow is going. Everyone can understand. Please don't disturb my flow. First line. See this one. Whenever you are running, running will start from main. Whenever you are running will start from main. Whenever main is called, main will push. Whenever main is running, for local variable, memory will be allocated. Main called means main will push. Whenever main is running, for local variables, memory will allocate. Next one, B is called. I think B is a function call or not. Again, function calling is push operation. Function calling means push operation. B also push. Whenever B is running, B local variable memory will allocate. Remember, same memory you cannot give again and again. For the first A, 1000 memory location. For second A, 2000 memory location. For third A, 3000, some other memory location. How many times declaration? Those many times memory. Now see the second line. C function is called, again push operation. C function is called push operation. Here B called, I done the push operation. Now here C called, I will do the push operation. Again in the C first line, Again in the C first line, declaration, create memory. Declaration, create memory. A 15, address is 4000. Now, after declaration is over, second line, call the D function. So, because of D is called, again push operation. Function calling is push operation. In the D, first one, A is equal to 20. Okay. Address is 5000. So, first line is over. Second line. Now, listen. Second line. Everyone listen. Now, second line. Can anyone help me now? I am in the D function. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. I am in the D function. I am in the D function. Print A. What is the answer? As of now, listen. As of now, in my hand, there are 5 A's available. As of now, in my hand, there are 5 A's are available. If I say print A, what will print? As of now, in my hand, there are 5 A's are available. If I say print A, what will print? Remember. In the stack, top of the stack is accessible. In the stack, top of the stack only accessible. You cannot access wherever you want. Top of the stack, whatever there, print it. Top of the stack, whatever there, you print it. You may be having 5, but it is a stack. In the stack, always you can access top of the stack only. In the stack, always you can access top of the stack. Wherever you are, if anyone is there, print it. Print A. Remember everyone. Printing a variable means printing inside. Printing a variable means printing inside. Printing a variable means printing inside. You want to print a variable? Remember, print variable means inside will print. Some people are asking, sir, how to print address, sir? You have to say printf. Ampersand A, you have to say. If you say print ampersand A address will come, 5000 will print. Suppose if you want to print the whatever there inside, print A. Print A means 20 will print. Print ampersand A means 5000 will print. Some people are asking, sir, these many people are there. Why are you printing the top only? Stack will allow only top. Stack will allow only top. Can you help me? Listen, can you help me? You are able to see 5 A's. You are able to see 5 A's. Stack able to see how many? You are able to see 5 A's. Stack able to see how many are? You are able to see 5 A's. Stack able to see how many A's? Because of we have 2 big guys. We are able to see 5 people. Stack able to see how many? Only 1. Stack able to see only top of the stack. Stack can see only top of the stack. Some people are asking, sir, in the place of stack, can I use Q? If you use Q, only first person will come. Who is the first person? Suppose if I use Q, who is the first person? Suppose assume I am using Q. Who is the first person here? In the place of stack, if I use Q, who is the first person? First in, first out. No. Yeah, first in, first out. Main. What is the answer? 5 will be printed. 5 will be printed. First in, first out. Main onwards program execution will start. Then 5 will be printed. If it is a queue, first in, first out. Whoever came inside queue first person, he will go out first. Then 5. Because of stack, last person will print. Because of stack, last person. Remember everyone. Everyone remember. Can you help me now? By default, your program will run which area? By default, your program will run which area? Stack area. You will get to know Ratnakar. Don't ask me anything. Don't divert me. Everything will come. If you keep finger, I will go here and there. It will take a lot of time. Don't keep finger. Just listen what is going on. Just listen what is going on. When I say print A, whoever there top of the stack, it will print. When I say print A, Whoever there top of the stack, it will print. Actually, see this one. We have 5. Listen, we have 2 eyes. We are able to see all 5, but stack cannot see all. Stack will see only top of the stack. Now it is a correct time to ask you, print A, what will print? What is the output of this program? Can you conclude? Can you conclude here? What is the output of this program? Can you conclude output of this program? Everything done. Everything done. Conclude output of this program. Conclude output of this program. I am there in the D function. D function print it, right? D function print A. What will print? This is how program will run. First you have to compile. Compile time global variable memory. When you run local variable memory. When you run local variable memory. When you compile global variable memory. Can you see when you say print A? When you say print A, top of the stack is A there. Top of the stack, which A, that will be printed. So 20 will be printed. Everyone absolutely fine. Everyone absolutely fine. See this one. The output of this program, everyone listen. The output of this program is going to be print A. Listen, when I say print A, top of the stack will check. Whenever you say print A, top of the stack will check. In the top of the stack, anywhere A there. Yes, there. Yes, there. It will print it. Anywhere A there, it will print it. Now see the beauty. Now see the beauty. Everyone observe. Now see the beauty. Everyone have to handle this. Now can you see this? Can you see this? Can everyone see this? Suppose assume this is not there. Suppose assume this is not there. Very interesting. Very interesting. Suppose assume this line is not there. If this line is not there, this is not there. If this line is not there, this is not there. I want answer from everyone. I want answer from everyone. What is print A now? I want answer from everyone. Everyone I want answer. What is the answer now? Can anyone guess? This is the open challenge. This is the open challenge. What is print A now? What is print A now? It is something like you are using one variable which is not declared. It is something like you are using one variable which is not declared. See this one. You are using one variable. See this one. You are using one variable which is not declared. Using one variable, using a variable which is not declared. Which is not declared. Using a variable which is not declared. You are using one variable which is not declared. Can you help me now? Print A, print A. Can you help me now? Print A. Top of the stack, any A. Print A. Top of the stack, any A. You are at here. You are at here. Print A. Wherever you are, any A there. You are saying print A. Okay. But whichever function you are there, A there or not there? Not there. You are using one variable which is not declared. In the programming language, one rule there. Listen, in the programming language, one rule there. What is the rule? Without declaring a variable, you cannot use that variable. Without declaration, programming language rule. Without declaration, you cannot use it. Without declaration, you cannot use it. Programming language rule is, are you using some variable which is not declared? Then it is a problem. You cannot use a variable without declaration. See this one. Inside the D function, I am. Inside the D function, I am saying print A, no A. Print A, no A, no A. I don't know from where this A is came. I don't know from where this A is came. I don't know from where this A is came. Are you getting? Are you getting? Inside the D function, you are using someone who is not declared. I don't know from where he came. Are you getting? Type here? Type here. If you don't type, how I know? If you don't type, how I know? Are you getting or not? If you don't type, how I know, yaar, you are getting or not? Inside the D function you are, inside the D function you are, and you are using some variable which is not declared. So we don't know from where this A came. Inside the D function you are using someone who is not available. Without declaration, how can you use it? Can anyone help me now? Will it give error or not? Without declaration, you cannot use it. Will it give error or not? Without declaration, you cannot use it. If you use, will it give error? ओए समझा नहीं समझा? Without declaration, you are using some variable. Will it give error or not? You are using inside the D function. You are using inside the D function which is not declared. Will it be a error or not? Will it be a error or not? Using someone which is not declared. Using someone which is not declared is error or not? According to programming language, it is the error. Listen, according to programming language, it is the error. But instead of giving error, listen, instead of giving error, right, it may give some suggestions. Listen, everyone. Listen, everyone. Listen, everyone. Very interesting. Yeah, Johan, very interesting. Johan, very interesting. See this one. Johan, very interesting. Everyone observe. You are using some variable. You are using some variable which is not declared inside. So using someone which is not declared, right? That is fine. So actually, according to programming language, it is the error. According to programming language, this is error. But remember, that may be error, that may not be error. That is a different story. Listen, you are using some variable which is not declared. That variable is known as, listen, that variable is known as free variable. Because I don't know from where it came. This is called free variable. Using some variable which is not declared, that is called free variable. I don't know from where it came. Suddenly you are using someone who is not available inside. So this is called free variable. This variable is called free variable. Remember, this variable is called free variable. That's okay. This problem, it is actually problem. Using a variable which is not declared. This variable is a free variable. This is actually a problem. This problem is called scope problem. This problem is called scope problem. This variable is called free variable. This problem is called scope problem. Remember, it is actually problem. You cannot use any variable without declaration. If you are doing that variable is called free variable, because I don't know from where he came. No local variable from where he came. I don't know. So it is a free variable. This problem is called scope problem. That is the reason. Can you see the topic name? Scope of a variable. That is the reason topic name is called scope of a variable. Right? Is it fine? Yeah, fine. So can you help me know? What is the name of the problem? What is the name of the problem? Can anyone help me now? Name of the problem. I want answer from you. Name of the problem. Name of the problem. Scope problem. Name of the variable. Name of the variable. Problem is scope problem. See, you are using someone which is not declared. You are using someone which is not declared. That is A. That is a scope problem. Variable is a free variable. We don't know from where it came. That variable is called free variable. That problem is called scope problem. See, this is the violation of the rule. Rule is saying that you cannot use it. Without declaration, you cannot use anyone. Without declaration, you cannot use that variable, right? That's what he is saying. Because of that reason, this problem is called as scope problem. This variable is known as free variable. Scope problem. It's a really scope problem because I don't know suddenly from where it came. So no local is there. No local there. No local. From where it came. So it is a scope problem. Solution, right? This person is called free variable. Let me say one example, one joke, so that you will remember many days. Can you help me now? In US, in US, most of the kids are free variable. What is the meaning? In US, most of the kids are free variables. In US, most of the kids are free variables. What is the meaning? In US, most of the kids are free variable. We don't know. So the meaning of this one is in US, most of the kids are free variable means we don't know. Most of the people don't know who are their mama, papa. Most of the kids don't know who are their mama, papa. No. What I mean to say is most of the kids don't know their mama, papa means we don't know from where they came. They don't know from where they came. They don't know from where they came. That's what I want to say. This A also, we don't know from where it came. That is the reason you are facing the problem. This A also, we don't know from where it came. Right? We don't know exactly from where this person is came. Right. Fine. So this problem is called as scope problem. This variable is called as free variable. Now observe. Observe everyone. Observe everyone. So whenever this kind of situation happens, see this one. Whenever this kind of situation is happened, instead of giving error, listen everyone now. Whenever this kind of situation is happened, instead of giving error, we have two solutions. Whenever this kind of situation is happened, instead of giving error, there are two solutions. One solution is static scoping. One solution is static scoping. One more is dynamic scoping. Some people are asking, what is the meaning of static scoping? Very simple, yeah, very simple. Whenever, listen, whenever you are using some variable which is not declared, means whenever you are using some variable which is not local, what the static scoping saying is, if no local, take global. If no local, take global. That is the one thing which is called static scoping. Static scoping saying that if you don't have local, don't give error message. Instead of error message, please take global variable. That is called static scoping. I'm repeating once again. Whenever scope problem, static scoping is saying that instead of giving error message, because you are using someone which is not declared, instead of giving error message, please local not there, please take global variable. That is called static scoping. Remember, in the static scoping, answer 3 will be printed. When no local, take global. Don't give error message. When no local, take global variable. Right? Instead of giving error message, this is the better idea. That is the one answer. Okay. Some people are asking, interesting answer. Sir, static scoping answer is 3. I am very happy. But what about dynamic scoping, sir? Everyone listen. What is the dynamic scoping? Everyone listen. First time in your life you are listening this. First time in your life you are listening. See this one. I am at here. I am using one variable which is not declared. What dynamic scoping will do is, whenever A is not here, you are at here, A is not here, you are using. What dynamic scoping is, here maybe not there, then go to the previous. In the previous one may be available. If you go to closest one, then it's called dynamic scoping, then print 15. Suppose here also not there, go to closest one, from where you came, go to that place. At least you check here. Here also not there, then check here. Here also not there. Worst case print it. Worst case print here. Because you came from here to here. First two, right? Compilation time itself. Memory created in the static area. After compilation, you came running. So in the dynamic scoping, whenever topmost person not available, go to previous. Here also not available, go to previous. Here also not available, go to previous. Here also not available, go to previous. That is called dynamic scoping. Can anyone guess what is the answer of this problem using dynamic scoping? Can anyone guess what is the answer of this problem using dynamic scoping? Answer of this problem using dynamic scoping. Everyone observe. What is the answer of this problem using dynamic scoping? Very simple. If top one is not there, go below down. Just go one position down. What is the answer? 15. Suppose that is also not there, go one position down. 10. If that is also not there, go one position down. 5. Can anyone help me now? In the stack, going one position down, is it push or pop? In the stack, one position going down, is it push or pop? In the stack, one position going down, push or pop? You have to pop. You have to pop. Listen, here some problem. See this one. Top level some problem. Go one position down. What is the meaning? Pop top of the stack. Then you will get this. Suppose here also problem. Pop one more time. Then you will get this. Suppose here also problem. Pop one more time. Here you will get. Now listen. I came here. I printed my answer. Let us assume that here available. Let us assume that I came here available. Whenever it is available, I will take. But I popped so many things. I have to again push. Means in the dynamic scoping, whenever top person not available, pop. You will go to previous. If previous also not there, again pop. You will go to previous. Again pop. Suppose assume that my work is over. Again I have to push. Can anyone guess now? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one is easy to implement? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one is easy to implement? In the case of dynamic scoping, so many pop, so many push. In the worst case, assume stack contain 1 lakh people, 1 lakh pop operation, 1 lakh push operations again. Unnecessarily, it will waste time. Unnecessary. Now, but one thing is true. Scope, listen everyone now. Scope problem is a problem. Without declaration, you cannot use it. Unfortunately happened, instead of giving error, please give some direction. Don't give error for everything. Unfortunately, as a programmer, I unfortunately written the little bit wrong program. Don't punish me blindly. Sir, without declaration, how can you use it? Okay, it is my mistake. Don't punish me blindly by giving error. It is not a good idea. If you do that, no one will use your compiler. Compiler is giving every time error. It is not a good idea. Whenever unknowingly user done some mistake, instead of punishing, please give some possibilities. Oh, what is the problem here? Scope problem. Oh, can I punish the user? No. Then what should I do? Then give 2 chances. I think you are given 2 chances. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping means, right? I think, scope problem means free variable. This is a global variable. This is a global variable. Dynamic scoping. This is the right. This is the previous one. Dynamic scoping means previous one. Previous not there. Again before previous. It is also not there. Previous. Worst case, so many pop you have to do. Your work is over. Again you have to push. But these are the 2 ideas. These are the 2 ideas which we have. Remember everyone. Scope problem, then only 2 solution. Scope problem, then only 2 solution. If scope problem is not there, 1 solution. If local is not there, where is the problem? If local, you are using someone is not there, local, then problem. Okay, I am using someone who is not exist. I am in dilemma. Which one I have to print? This is called scope problem. That person is called free variable. What is the solution? Easy solution. No local. Go to global. Easy solution. No local. Go to global. One more difficult solution is, right? Okay, top of the stack not there. Go to previous. How to go to previous? Pop top of the stack. Go to previous. Previous also not there. Once again, pop. Go to previous. Sir, if I keep on doing pop operation, if I keep on doing push operation, it is a lot of headache. But that is the one solution. Now it is the correct time to ask you. Can I help you now? Can I help you now? It's the correct time to ask you. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Who will give closest answer? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Who will give closest answer? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Who will give closest answer? You are there, 10th floor of the building. You are there, 10th floor of the building. Some problem came. Go to 9th floor. There also some problem. Go to 8th floor. 8th floor also some problem. Go to 7th floor. So that is the one idea. Dynamic scoping is one idea. One more idea. Static scoping. Now it is a very, very interesting answer. Very, very interesting answer. Listen, very, very interesting answer. Scope problem. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Observe everyone. Scope problem. Scope problem. Compiler itself is identified. I said to the compiler, everyone listen. I said to the compiler, hello compiler, at anywhere if you find out scope problem, you please resolve. Then what compiler will do? I said to the compiler, listen, I said to the compiler, hello compiler, while compiling, if scope problem, you resolve. What compiler will do? Hello compiler, while compiling, if you see scope problem, you please resolve. Because if at all, if I resolve it at runtime means so many people are there inside stack. It became a headache. Hello compiler, while compiling, if you find out anywhere scope problem, you resolve. Can anyone help you now? Compiler got scope problem. Compiler want to resolve. Who is the replacement? Compiler got to know scope problem. I said to the compiler, hello compiler, if you find out scope problem, you please resolve. Can you help me now? How he will resolve? How he will resolve? Hello compiler, while compiling scope problem, you please resolve. How he will resolve? Oi! Respond! Oi! Hello compiler, while compiling, if you find out any scope problem, you please resolve. How you will resolve, yaar? I am saying to compiler, hello compiler, whenever compilation is going on, if you find out scope problem, you please resolve. How you will resolve? How you will resolve? Someone is saying dynamic scoping. Dynamic scoping means stack. Are compile time where is stack? Yeah. Compile time where is stack? Can you say compile time? Local variables created or global variables are created? Compile time, local variables created or global variables? I said to the compiler, hello compiler, while compiling the program, if you find out scope problem, you please resolve. If you find out scope problem, compiler, you resolve. Can you help me now? Compile time to whom memory created? Only global. Exactly. Are. Compile time, see, if compiler is solving the problem, compiler will see. So what is the solution? No local, what compiler will do? Global. If compiler got to know scope problem, I said to compiler, you resolve. Compiler knows only global variable because compile time only global variables are created. You will take global. Can you help me now? Compile time, runtime. Compile time, runtime. Where many variables are created. Compile time, run time, where many variables are created. Compile time, run time, where many variables are created. Runtime many or not. If you solve this problem, runtime, this problem complex. If you solve this problem, runtime, this problem become complex because many people are available. Many people, runtime means many people are available. Whenever many people are available, solving problem difficult. Suppose very less people, if you want to solve a problem easy, solve this problem compile time. Solve this problem compile time. Assign this work to compiler, allow compiler. While compiling, are you able to see any scope problem? Yes, I am able to see scope problem. Then compiler, you resolve. Then compiler, please resolve. I don't want to give to processor. Then he will resolve. At that time, compiler knows only global variable. Right? So you will take global variable. Now listen, one more interesting answer. I called compiler. Everyone listen. I called compiler. Allow compiler. While compiling, if you find out scope problem, allow compiler. While compiling, if you find out scope problem, you please don't solve. I want to give to processor. Compiler, scope problem, you don't solve. Just pass the problem. Just pass the problem as it is. Processor have to run it. Then what is the answer? If processor will solve this problem, that is called dynamic scoping. You always remember, compile itself is doing, starting itself doing. Then you will get the keyword static. Starting itself, if you do anything, then it is called static. If you do not starting, right? Running time, if you do, starting means compile time. Compile time, if you do anything, static. Run time, if you do, that is called dynamic. Remember, some people are asking, sir, scope problem, who will solve, sir? Sir, scope problem, compiler will solve or processor will solve? If you think that compiler solving easy, give to compiler. There is no emotional feeling here. Some people are saying, how can you solve the problem using compiler? Like compiler, processor also. Why everything to processor? Give some work to compiler also, na? So in some programming languages, the person who invented the programming language, he will say that in my programming language, scope problem compiler will solve. In some programming languages, the inventor of the programming language will say that in my language, scope problem, processor will solve it. In some languages, scope problem will be solved by compiler. In some languages, scope problem will be solved by processor. Can anyone help you know? Which one is easy? Which one difficult? Do it. Which one is easy? Which one difficult? In some languages, scope problem compiler will do. In some languages, scope problem, right? Scope problem processor will do. Can you say solving problem early, solving problem afterwards? Which is easy? Solving problem early, solving problem afterwards. Which is easy? Right? Static is easy. Dynamic is complex. That is the reason. Listen, that is the reason. That is the reason I am requesting to everyone. That is the reason I am requesting to everyone. Everyone I am requesting. Everyone I am requesting. Right? Solving problem early is a better idea. Because afterwards, many variables will come. Many A's will come. I don't know which one I have to take. If any problem is coming, start right? Solving problem early is better. Solving problem early, scope problem solving early. That is called static scoping. Scope problem solving after some time, running time. That is called dynamic scoping. But the advantage with the dynamic scoping is you may get closest. So what is the use of closest? Solving problem easy is the better idea. That is the reason most of the programming languages, we are following static scoping. Now can anyone help you know? C language follows static scoping or dynamic scoping? C language follows static scoping, dynamic scoping. I said to you what is the scope problem. I said to you what is the meaning of free variable. I said to you how many solutions are there. I said to you which solution is better, right? Can you help me now? C language follows which scoping technique? C language follows which scoping technique? Static scoping. Every language follows one scoping technique. One language cannot do all scopings. If I invent some language, I will say, according to me, my language follows dynamic scoping. If you create one programming language, you say that, according to me, my language is static scoping. According to me, my language follows dynamic scoping. Whoever is invented, he will say his language follows which scoping technique. If you feel dynamic scoping is better to your language, you go for that. If I feel to my language static scoping better, I will go. C language follows static scoping. Some people are asking, can anyone guess? Are you still remembered? I still remember when I am studying, when I am studying BTech, listen everyone now, when I am studying BTech, my C programming teacher said one small line. I still remember. I am studying the BTech first year, C language I am studying. My teacher said one line. Whenever she written the one program, in that program, there is no local variable. In that program, there is no local variable. My teacher is saying that print A, what it will print. She wrote one program on the board, and she is simply printing the one variable which is not declared inside the function. She is asking, my teacher is asking, print A, what it will print. Because no local, what it will print. I still remember my teacher said that if no local, go to global. Someone is saying that, can you teach binary tree, please? Right? So it is a C programming. How can you say binary tree teach? So careful. Hemant, careful, yaar. What is going on? What you are asking? So I still remember my teacher said that if no local, go to global. My teacher want to say that static scoping. My teacher want to say that go for static scoping. She want to say that if no local, go to global. Can anyone help you now? If no local, go to global. Is it right or wrong? I'm repeating once again. If no local, if you go to global, is it right or wrong? If no local, if you go to global, is it right or wrong? I want answer. In C language, right. In C language, right. In some other language, it is wrong. Some languages follows dynamic scoping. Some languages follow dynamic scoping. C language follows static scoping. Some languages follow dynamic scoping. How can you say every time go to global variable only? Please careful. No local. See this one. No local, go to global. That is called static scoping. C language follows static scoping. That is correct. For some other language, it is not correct. Yeah, I think Balwant is saying that for C hash and right dynamic scoping. C hash and Java dynamic scoping. If no local, instead of giving error message, some suggestion. What is the suggestion? One is going to static scoping, one is going to be dynamic scoping. Some languages follow static, some languages follow dynamic. So implementation. Static scoping easy because less people, less competition. Dynamic scoping implementation difficult, but it may give closest answer. You cannot say static is always. You cannot say dynamic is always. It depending upon programming language. Now, final question I want to ask you. Final question. Everyone give answer. With this, it is over. In GATE examination, everyone observe. In GATE examination, one program is given. Scope problem. In the GATE examination, one program is given. Scope problem. He didn't mention static or dynamic. What you do? In GATE examination, one program is given, scope problem, he didn't mention static or dynamic. What you do? What you do? He didn't said anything. He didn't said anything. What the answer? Just static scoping. Because most of the languages follow static scoping. Because of less work is there, most of the languages follow static scoping. Not only that, you have C programming. Right? So if you say dynamic scoping, go for dynamic scoping. If you say static scoping, go for static scoping. If you don't say anything, please go to static scoping. Someone is saying, so that's what I'm saying. Rishabh, that's what I'm saying. If you don't say anything, then go to static scoping. If you don't say anything, just go to static scoping. Fine. If you say dynamic scoping, go for dynamic scoping. Don't say anything, blindly go to static scoping. Until unless he will say dynamic scoping, don't go to dynamic scoping. Fine. Because of you are really comfortable. Final question I want to ask you. Output of this program. Can you say finally? Yeah, I think everything is done. Output of this program. Can you say finally? Output of this program. Say finally. Output of this program. Give final answer. Output of this program. Static scoping, what the answer? Output of this program. Static scoping, what the answer? Static. 3. Dynamic. Static 3. Dynamic. 15. Yeah, this is. Static 3. Dynamic 15. Yeah, dynamic 15. Now listen, one more interesting answer. Everyone observe. Write properly. Everyone observe. What is the output of this program? Very interesting. What is the output of this program? Let me write. Everyone give answer. What is the output now? What is the output of this program? Static, what is the answer? Dynamic, what is the answer? Interesting answer. What is the output of this program? Static how much? Dynamic how much? What is the output of this one? Static how much? Dynamic how much? This is available. If local there, where is the problem? If local there, where is the problem? Yeah, local there, no problem. 20 printed both. See, if problem there, 2 solutions. If a problem is there, 2 solutions. And if no problem, from where 2 solutions will come? When I say print, I will check local available. Then how 2 answers? Right. Now give answer. So please write properly in the notes. Please write properly. Please write in the notes properly. Now listen, one more interesting. I don't know how many people will give. One more interesting answer. I don't know how many people will give. Please give answer. One more interesting answer. Please give this. See this, everyone. Hello, everyone. See this one. This is not available. This is also not available. This is not available. This is also not available. What is the output? So that means this is not available. Can you say output? All locals not available. What is static? What is dynamic? Say the answer, final answer. Static, what is the answer? So see this one. I want to print. I want to print no one. Static will say go to global 3. Static will say no, right? Go to global 3. Dynamic, what is the answer? Dynamic, previous, not there. Previous, not there. Previous, not there. Suppose all are not there. See, he is already there. Already, right? Static area, one more person is available. Worst case, he will go there. 3 will be printed. Right? Both will print. Worst case, it will print global variable. Worst case, it will print global variable. Worst case, it will print global variable. Now you are really comfortable. Now can you see this? You are really comfortable. Can you see this? Can you see this one? You are really comfortable. Can you see this? Very interesting one. Very interesting one. Can you see this also? Yeah. See everyone? See everyone now? Everyone give answer. Everyone give answer. What is the output of this program? What is out? This line is not there. This line not there. This line is not there. What is the output of this program? Static. Write properly in your notes. Output of this program. Output of this program. Static, what is the answer? Dynamic, what is the answer? Say this also. Say this also. Static, how much? Dynamic, how much? Static, how much? Dynamic, how much? Static saying that if no local, static saying that if no local, take global. Static saying that if no local, take global. Are global also not there. No local, no global. From where I will bring here? No local, no global. Output. Output static. No local also, no global also. Now you will get error. What is the error? Undeclared variable. What is the error message? Undeclared variable. No local, at least have global. Global also not there. Undeclared variable. See the dynamic. Say the dynamic. What is the answer? Previous. 15 will be printed. Dynamic is previous. 15 will be printed. Dynamic is previous. 15 will be printed. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable this entire story? Are you comfortable this entire story? Please take care. Write notes properly. Write notes properly. Write notes properly. Write perfect. Perfect. Actual our goal is 10:30. Now it became 11. Now it became 11. So very simple, very simple. You are using some variable which is not declared. That problem is called scope problem. That variable is called free variable. There are two solutions. If you solve this problem early, that is called static scoping. If you solve this problem little late, that is called dynamic scoping. Whenever you say little late, some complex, little bit complex. When you say little early, problem is easy. Little early if you solve problem easy, little late if you solve, right, dynamic scoping. It is having its own positive and negative, but easy one is static scoping. So 90% of the programming languages follows static scoping. Some programming languages follow dynamic scoping. However, in the examination, nothing is mentioned. Go for happily static scoping, because most of the languages follow static scoping. Few languages anyhow will follow dynamic scoping. That is the reason we are still studying. That is the reason still we are studying this. Otherwise, we may not study that. But write properly. Write properly your notes. Write properly your notes. Yeah. Next one. If you are, if at all you are seriously preparing for GATE 2025, if you are seriously preparing for GATE 2025, right? You can join EPT. If you are seriously preparing, you can join EPT. Syllabus will be issued, right? September ending, it will be over. September end, syllabus will be over. September end, syllabus will be over. We are going to guide you. For every person, I given some target, right? Please solve this, right? This month you complete this. This month you complete this. We are providing 24/7, right? Doubt solving also. Any student having any doubt, we are solving immediately. And one more thing is, right? Every weekend exams also there. So lot of advantages are there. My suggestion is, if you really want to write the GATE examination seriously, exam prep tool you can join. Exampreptool.com, you can go and you can buy the course, or if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me also. Yeah, tomorrow we'll see. Right, someone is saying that EMI is available. Yeah, it is available. You can WhatsApp me. I will help you. Yes, Shashank is saying that class over. I think so, because 10:30, right? 10:30 is the actual class. It became 11 because of in the middle I am unable to stop the class. Fine. Tomorrow, listen. Tomorrow on the story, you will see many problems. Tomorrow on the story, you will see many problems. My request to everyone. Revise and come. Don't come directly. Revise and come. My request to every person, please revise and come. If nothing is mentioned, go for static scoping, because most of the languages follow static scoping, because it is very easy to implement. Nothing mentioned static scoping, because it is very easy to implement. But still some programming languages are there which are following dynamic scoping. Yeah, and live class timing is, right, 9:30 to 10:30. Bintu, class timing is 9:30 to 10:30. If anyone seriously preparing for GATE 2025, my strong advice to you is, right, you can happily start in the exam prep tool. Right, so I am teaching few subjects. Abhinav AIR1 teaching, right, 2 to 3 subjects. Mithali madam teaching 2 to 3 subjects, AIR 25. Next one, Nidhi madam teaching. She is a IIT Kharagpur person, and she is currently working in one of the FANG company. She is teaching 2 to 3 subjects. We all are going to make your life so simple. The only thing is you have to study properly. Dedicatedly work within September ending or August ending, we will complete syllabus. Yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much.